Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our San Francisco 72 by 96 double arch door. This door is in oil rub bronze. It has an Aquatex glass on it. Different colors and different glass types are definitely available. Different shapes are available. If you like to order a flat top or a single door or even a full arch, which is amazing in this look actually, that's what I have in my house. It's an amazing Spanish style Mediterranean door that it'll never go out of style. It'll pretty much, it's timeless I think. Super cool door. These are all solid pieces of metal. It's not hollow. And these are solid balls on there that's all welded together. Yeah, super cool door. It does not have a kick plate. Some customers, we have made them in the past with the kick plate. We've added a kick plate. We eliminated one of these guys. That's also an option if you want something solid metal down here with some designs. Those are all available in a custom order. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. Okay guys, we're on the back side of the San Francisco door. Show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist, flick these guys open. Glass opens, so it's easy to clean the glass, clean the scroll work. Also on custom orders, you can add a screen to these doors so you can have ventilation if you like. Again, I should have mentioned this in my other videos, but all the scroll work that we do, it's all solid metal. None of this stuff is hollow. That's where all the weight comes from. Yeah, I mean, this is it. This is the back end of it. This is Aquatex glass. That's what it looks like from the opposite side. This allows with the glass that goes all the way down, allows a lot more light to come into the house. Amazing, like timeless Spanish Mediterranean look. I think it'll never go out of style, and it comes in all different shapes, so if you can do it, you know, throughout the whole house, front door, back door, super cool. I think it goes very well with that. If you guys have any other questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.